These wonderful graham crackers are from my first book, The Complete Book of Gluten-Free Cooking. They are wonderful as a cookie, but also allow those who don't eat gluten to enjoy s'mores or pies that call for a graham cracker crust. Start by combining all of your ingredients in a mixing bowl. Start your mixer at low speed and gradually increase it. Spray an 11 by 17 inch jelly roll pan with baking spray and cut a piece of plastic wrap about the same size as your pan. Spray one side with baking spray and place the plastic wrap sprayed side down on your dough. You can use little rolling pins designed to fit inside pans, or a non-rimmed drinking glass turned on its side works just as well. What you're trying to do is to get your dough even thickness. The center of the pan should be the same thickness as the edges. This was a job my daughter loved from the time she was about 8. If you choose to sprinkle your graham crackers with a cinnamon sugar mixture, this would be the time to do that. Once they come out of the oven, you want to score them immediately while warm, still in the pan. Then allow them to completely cool in the pan before you remove them. I like to place my cookies in one jar and my broken pieces in a separate jar to be used for pie crust later. Both freeze great. I hope you enjoy these as much as we do. Please leave your comments below and subscribe for more great gluten-free recipes. Thanks for watching.